In a cozy little house on the outskirts of town lived Kate, a young mom who loved keeping things in order. But with two energetic kids and a full-time job, she often found herself overwhelmed. One day, during a chat with her friend, she heard about the Google Home mini speaker, a small but smart device that could be her personal helper. Intrigued, Kate ordered it online. When the package arrived, she eagerly unboxed the sleek round speaker that fit perfectly in her hand. It looked unassuming, but from the very first moment, it changed her life. "Hey, Google Home mini speaker, what's the weather today?" Kate asked as she plugged it in. "Good morning. Today will be sunny with a high of 23 degrees. Would you like me to set a reminder to grab your sunglasses?" came the cheerful reply. Kate was amazed. She quickly realized Google Home Mini could do so much more. While cooking dinner with her hands covered in flour, she simply said, "Hey, Google Home mini speaker, add milk to my shopping list." And just like that, her shopping list on her phone was updated. In the evening, when her kids struggled to fall asleep, she asked, "Hey Google, tell me a story." The soothing voice narrated a lovely tale, and the kids were fast asleep in no time. But the real magic happened that weekend when Kate invited friends over for dinner. With just a simple command, "Hey Google, play some jazz music." The room filled with smooth jazz melodies, creating the perfect atmosphere. Her friends were impressed as Kate adjusted the volume and skipped songs with her voice without missing a beat in their conversation. Over time, Google Home mini speaker became an integral part of the family. It woke Kate up in the morning, reminded her of important meetings, and even helped her find quick dinner recipes. Her kids, who were initially skeptical, started asking it fun questions like, "Hey Google, how many legs does an octopus have?" And it always answered patiently, with a smile in its voice. Thanks to this little speaker, Kate's life became simpler, more organized, and full of small, joyful moments. In the evening, as she sipped her tea, she knew she had found something that truly made her day-to-day easier. Want to be like Kate? Click the link in the description and order your Google Home mini speaker today.